Is your Brother MFC-L2710DW printer showing a replace toner or toner low message even you've installed a new toner cartridge? Don't worry, this is a common issue and the fix is actually pretty simple. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset the toner on your Brother MFC-L2710DW printer step by step. Just follow along and in a couple of minutes, your printer should recognize the toner correctly and be ready to print again. If you run into any issues during the process, just call the numbers on the screen for one-on-one support. Otherwise, let's jump right in and reset your Brother printer.
Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date.
Make sure your printer is turned on. Go ahead and open the front cover of your printer. Now, press the clear button and right after that, real quick, hit the stop exit button. Keep pressing clear, then quickly stop exit until you see k.tnr-str pop up on the screen. If it doesn't appear, you might not have been quick enough, so try again. Press stop exit right after clear so it won't appear on the screen. Use the down arrow to scroll until you see k.enr-hc on the screen. Now, press the OK button to select that option. Now, you'll see the screen display option. Press the up arrow button to reset the toner counter. Go ahead and press the up arrow again to confirm the reset. You should see the printer say accepted on the display. This means the toner reset was successful. Now, close the front cover of your printer. Just give it a few minutes. Your toner is resetting now. Just wait for the process to complete.
If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.